what we do as a system that adds value to the general marketplace, it's repairing vehicles faster. So on average, we've been able to fix vehicles about 35% faster than the average collision center within North America. And then you take a look at the unit economics and sort of profitability support that we're able to give the franchisee. We've been able to strip a lot of costs out of the collision center by leveraging our back office, by centralizing a lot of the different services. So if you're an independent, it's very difficult to gain leverage as one store. But with 100 plus together, unified in a back office, we can really leverage that scale, that efficiency.